Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a wind spinner with crochet. This is very beautiful design and very easy to make. You can make this design less than in an hour. Let's start making it together. First make a knot and chain 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep going until 70 chains are done. Then cut the yarn. You have 70 chains. Now change the color. You can choose any color and start from the beginning of the row again. And make single crochet in each chain. Total 70 single crochet in each of the stitch. Keep going. Single crochet in each stitch. Now you can see I done all 70 single crochet. Now again cut the yarn in the end, because every time we have to work again in a new row from the beginning of the design. So cut the yarn, pull it to secure the stitch, and from the beginning of the row add another color. You can use any leftover yarn, because this design doesn't contain too much of yarn, so you have maybe many leftover colors in your storage, so use that colors. Now add third color. This time we have to make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Chain 3, it's count as a first double crochet. In the same stitch make 1 double crochet over here. In second stitch again 2 double crochet. So we have total of 70 chains, but now we have 140 stitches double crochet together. You can see now this how it's going to start turning, and there's the total of 140 stitches. So now again in the end cut the yarn, and for the fourth row start again from the beginning of the design, again from here. This time we are going to add a different color. Again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 3 double crochet in each stitch. Three double crochet in each chain, you can see from here. So each chain you're going to make 3 double crochet. Total of 210 double crochet. It looks like my yarn is very thin. It's not the same size of the other 3 colors I use, but I'm showing you here. I might change the color. And this looks too sharp color. This looks good in the video, but in real it's not look good to me, the contrast of the color. So I'm taking it out. So I used another color, bit lighter and soft, and I did 3 double crochet in each chain. Now you can see all the chains is now twist like this. In the end, same, I have to secure this one, cut the yarn, and start again from the beginning of this design. This time I'm going to use another color, but what we have to do, we are not increasing in this row, we are only making a slip stitch in each stitch without increasing any stitch here. So I changed the color in different with this. First I have to make few chains because I need something on the top to hang this. So I'm going to make 15 chains. One, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. If you want, you can make 20 chains. How long you want, you can make it. I think I'm going to make 15. This is enough. The same stitch, make a slip stitch. Slip stitch in each chain. So keep going until the end of the row. And that's how it looks like in the end. It's finished. The design is finished. Now we have to secure these loose ends. You can see here. So I'm going to secure it with the smaller hook, because smaller hook is easier to insert in the stitch without making it loose. So if it's up to you, if you want to use the same hook for this, you can use it, but I like to do with the smaller hook. It's easier while working with this one. So just secure like this all the loose ends, wave these inside the same color, and now you can see I secure all of this. It's done. Now I'm going to make a tassel to hang under this. I took the pieces of cardboard box and I used all the colors yarn together and start wrapping it around the cardboard box. If you want to make a longer size, you can take a wider cardboard or any hard thing, plastic or something you have, you can use that one. Keep wrapping it around the cardboard. You can make a desired thickness. Just a few round is enough for me. And I finished. Now I'm going to take another piece of yarn like this to make a knot at the top, and I will cut from the bottom of this like this. These knots are a bit loose, so I opened it again and I made it tighter. Now wrap another piece of yarn around it like this. I wrapped it few times, and now I use the needle to secure the loose end so it don't come out. Just insert the thread again under this wrapped yarn and secure both ends. It's done. Now I have to make it even because some of the yarn is longer, some is shorter, so I use the same cardboard box and I put this tassel inside this and I cut with the scissor to make it even, and that's how it comes out. Now I have to secure it under this wind spinner. I insert some bead inside, so it's a bit heavy. It is like if it's like a bit heavy, then it's easier when the wind blows. It moves quickly when there is some weight under this one. So I put 2 beads and then I secure the loose end. I use the crochet hook, but you can use the needle to put the beads inside the yarn. And in the end, I wave the loose end inside, and you can see it's ready now. It looks like this, and show you when I take it outside how it looks like with the wind. It looks so beautiful, and you can make 3-4 together and hang it in the corner of your backyard somewhere you want. I hope you liked it. See you in my next project. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.